Guys, welcome back to Kpopandkurls. My name is Deandra, and today we are going to make Korean fried cheese. And I have my sister and my cousin. We have Cheetos. Let's integrate into the kitchen. We have panko breadcrumbs for the what am I trying to say? For the coating, the crust. Yeah. My cousin Paris. She also has a YouTube channel coming out, so yeah. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Breadcrumbs, and we have panko. So this is gonna be our coating. I'm gonna somehow make that work. I don't really know how to do all of this. We also have mozzarella cheese and these little sticks for corn dog stuff. Yeah, I was looking for it and I couldn't find the sharp ones, so we just had to do with these.
Oh no. Okay, Pierce, upper body strength. Oh, it's not that hard. It's just, don't punch it.
Here we go. Yeah. Alright, so 1 down.
2 down.
Well, 2 down. I don't do math. I think that's like 10 more to go. Okay, so you have to put flour.
Is this recording? Is this good? More?
That should be fine.
I feel like I scared them more when I had cough.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
She'll probably like, get out of my house.
Right? Time to set it in the freezer for how long did it say? Like,
Oh, Jordan just said,
alright, so we're about to make the batter. So I'm taking 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of baking powder. So let's do this. You have to run to the store to get baking powder, so that's nice. Also add 1 egg to the batter ingredients. That was really good.
I got scared from because I never seen anybody.
Yeah, that was actually really impressive. You would think, like, why not just make pancake batter, you know?
Yeah, it does.
Right? Just add water, you know? So here is our crust. We have the hot Cheeto crust, which we basically crumbled up in our fingers, and then panko and Italian breadcrumbs with our batter.
It's good. Oh, ew. No, I don't.
Ew. Alright, so as you can see, we have finished the mozzarella, Korean cheese sticks, yes. And look at that stretch. Ooh, yes. Very gooey, very, very nice. Big oof. Sorry. But this picture is really fuzzy. Sorry about that. But make sure you guys remember to add baking powder because I surely did not. And that kind of, as you can see, made the sticks look small and skinny, and we want fat sticks, so make sure you do that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye now.